Do you know what time it is? It's gardening time. So it's finally getting warm enough to be able to garden, and I'm getting really excited. And I just want to show you what I already have. I made these raised beds back in 2020. And I actually stumbled upon Callie Kim, who is in California, and she was giving information about raised beds. Our soil here is terrible, and we have had in-ground gardens before, but the amount of things that you have to use to amend the soil is staggering, and it just became a nuisance. And so we tried this, and I'll show you what we have. These are the 3 that my husband built in 2020. I feel like they have held up very well. They are 12 inches tall, 4 feet wide, and 6 feet long. Right now I have Brussels sprouts. I've left my wood sorrel over there. I still have some kale hanging on. It looks really good. I think I'm going to throw it in the refrigerator. And I have some tomatoes out here that I planted from seed. They look like they're doing pretty good. I have some squash and cucumbers. There's still some dead nettle over there, or henbit. That's henbit. Oh, Flynn wants to be a part of the party here. And over here I have squash. That's squash. It's doesn't look fabulous, but anyway, we'll see what happens with that. Oh, there's a nasturtium right there. But I want to show you what's new. Oh, there's my lemon balm. I'm going to show you what's new on the list. I wanted to expand my growing space, and so we did it, in my opinion, a little smarter. I came home from work and it was magically filled with dirt. I am so excited. It's ready for some plants. It wasn't magic. My husband was so kind. Got ready to torch it, seal that pine. It looks so amazing. I love the burnt look. It's just something different, but it also is sealing it. So 2 for 1, and I got a bunch of little plants that are about ready to go in here. Look at this beauty. I'm so proud of it. My husband did an amazing job putting this together. He did it in less than a day, and we have some fun stuff growing here. Lots of different peppers, some jalapenos, tomatoes, honey squash, flowers. I'm just really excited about it. And one thing I love is the height. Makes it very convenient for digging in the dirt and, you know, watering. When I'm hand watering, I'm actually getting ready to hook up a soaker hose right now. I saw an update on Callie Kim's website, and you guys should visit that if you're interested in gardening. She has some amazing, oh, my dog's going crazy, sorry. Come here, cuteness. She has some amazing tricks and tips that have helped me a lot, and I actually bought some of her seeds. Most of these are hers. They have grown very well, and I've definitely noticed a difference from box stores to the seeds that I get in box stores and the ones that I'm actually ordering from good companies. But my husband we tried to get cedar, but it's very expensive, and so we just decided to use pine. This is 24 inches high, 4 feet wide, and 8 feet long. And we burned it to seal it. We have read that that really works for longevity, keeps termites out, helps it to last longer. And he used screws, which I like better than nails, of course. We went to our local mulch place and got some very good quality dirt. We needed a lot of dirt. Nice little mixture here. So it was a little bit of work, but totally totally worth it. And getting ready to put that up soon. That'll be up soon. So I'm gonna get to work and get my hose up on here so that I don't have to hand water constantly. And I'm just really proud of this. I'm very excited about it, and I'm thankful for the hands that prepared it. So I'm super excited for this growing season. We'll see what happens. Every year is full of surprises, some good and some bad. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I just ask if you will like and subscribe, hit that bell for more notifications, more coming at ya. Again, I want to thank Callie Kim for her wonderful recommendations. You guys go check out her channel, and I need all the help I can get.